What I love to do is to cover my dark spots first. Those are the things that bother me the most, and I seem to have more on my left side than my right. I just start working over this area. And the one thing that I love about this device is its ability to cover those dark spots. Can you see that? It's covering, and I just kind of keep going over it. And I complete this side of my face first. There. See that? It's pretty well covered now. And that's it. And then I just kind of continue to the other side. I tend to push my nose with my finger, my other hand, and then I kind of go over this edge like that. And then the chin's pretty easy. I just do this. And then I just continue on to the other side.